chilly? He's f***ing dying. Oh god, oh god.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
First day.
Are you excited?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. First day of public sessions Nürburgring 2026 and any kind of driving. Right now it is 7 minutes to 8, so the track will be open in 7 minutes. We're gonna go to the barrier to see who's gonna be the first driver of 2026 season and do some car spotting along the way and then do our laps ourselves. First, proper break. I wish I could have one, but yeah, my wife unfortunately doesn't allow me to buy a Volvo. I wanted to buy a T5R, but I ended up buying another yellow car. The weather predictions are really, really good, so it's going to be very warm and very, very busy. Look at this familiar car, of course fully street legal, so perfect TF car, definitely. Oh yeah, have fun. How's it going?
Good mate, how are you?
Good, good.
See you.
Great start of the season.
Exciting.
Yeah, have fun. All right, let's not get run over by the LT. Hope you're not that slow on track.
What? Oh, sorry.
Everyone's waiting to see who's gonna be the first one. The taxis are also ready. The first ones are Hyundai and Genesis. Still waiting for Ring Taxi and Get Speed. And also the Beast of the Green Hell as well. By the way, yesterday something new was driving on the track related to the last car I mentioned. Marshals are in position.
Guten Morgen, meine Damen und Herren. Herzlich willkommen an der Nürburgring Nordschleife. Wir freuen uns, Sie hier zum Saisonstart 2026 begrüßen zu dürfen. Die Strecke ist ab sofort für Touristenfahrten geöffnet. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Nürburgring Nordschleife season start 2026. We wish you an accident-free day and the track is opened.
Woo!
Die 21.
And the first one is a G87 M2. And of course an E36. What's a Nürburgring lap without TF license plate and an E36 followed by E46? And of course also a GT3 RS MR. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very fast, famous Clio. Oh, that's some BTS. Oh look. Today is also not only the first day of public sessions, but also first day of Formula 1. And surprisingly, I think we cannot make jokes about Ferrari, at least at this point, based on their performance. Anyway, shall we go do some laps ourselves? Yeah. Matus, you ready for a traffic jam simulator?
That is crazy.
Alright, welcome to the very first lap of 2026 season. Yeah, very excited. Next to me is one and only Jackie Ding, PhD Racing. So, do you have PhD in racing?
No, we have passion, hope and dreams. That's what PhD stands for. Yeah.
So, which one is it today mostly?
Mostly hopes.
Mostly hopes.
Mostly hopes. We're hopeful.
You're hoping to do what?
We're hoping to survive the Nürburgring.
I didn't want to say it, but you said it yourself.
Yeah.
Any case, the very first lap, we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna show you how to Nürburgring, especially since it's Jackie's today first time. First time?
First time.
Okay, cool. First time. I don't know if you were
Please
here
be gentle,
before.
you know.
Yeah, it's not a rental, so I will be gentle, I guess, because if it is a rental, then you're not gentle.
Brother.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
The double senses here.
Anyhow, please welcome Jackie on board as our US distributor of Vulcan Alpha as well, by the way. So yeah, let's have a look. What should I say? Important to know. Cost of laps this season, 30 euros Monday to Thursday and 35 Friday till Sunday. Or if you have a yearly season pass, 3,000 euros, and you can do unlimited laps. Lots of cars, lots of traffic, all kinds of fast cars, slower cars, super sports cars. That seems familiar to you probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's important to obey by the rules of road and traffic. This means fast traffic overtakes on the left, slow traffic stays on the right. Ideally indicates when you stop, when you're gonna stay where you are or overtake. always important to be extra cautious on the first laps, because the track just exited winter. It's been freezing over the winter, so the tarmac is really, really cold. So be very cautious, and you put your first laps of the season. And if you get on track and you realize that under acceleration something is off, you see, he indicated, so he allowed me to pass. But what I want to show you is over here on the right, you have actually an extra rest area. So if you have a breakdown, or you realize like, I forgot to warm up my car or do the tire pressures, you can actually have a little emergency exit, and you have a nice paddock over here where you can you can recharge your car, you can refuel your car, you can just park up, have a bathroom break, and you name it. Ahead of us is yellow flag. This means there's an incident up ahead. Oh, that's a sick something. Yeah. There's an incident up ahead. The rule of the thumb with public sessions, we turn on the hazard lights, speed not faster than 50 kilometers per hour. Be prepared to come to a complete stop, because there might be people walking on track, working on track. No overtaking is allowed. He is overtaking, but then again, also I was very slow coming out of the pit lane. So from here we proceed. Car ahead of us is also doing some warming up of the tires, which is kind of, not really important on the first laps. We have, since last year, fully operational LED lights, so they can help you to spot and notify what is happening on track. But the marshal flags are the most important. Unlike in racing, you do not have a green flag. So essentially, once you pass the incident, you can proceed going, and you just have to guess. So here we have a marshal car. Probably there was an impact. They're checking it out. Is ahead of us clear? Yeah, there is no yellow on the LED sign, so we can slowly accelerate. You might see a bit of moisture on the track because, as mentioned, it's been very cold and also wet. I want to check the new curb because they repaved this surface. Nice. And they also redone this curb. Let's have a look. Oh, that's smooth. That's very, very nice. All right. You also see lots of dirt next to the track because of the resurfacing works of certain curbstones, and therefore need to be also cautious because dirt means less grip. So chilling. He's indicating on the right. This means he's going to stay on the right. He's seen us. We can pass him, and we're staying on the left side. I forgot to switch off traction control, so I need to be very cautious through here because the car might understeer to the outside due to the traction control. But again, it's like there was no winter break. We're just like cruising and chilling.
This is chilling?
He's fucking dying.
Oh god, oh god.
We need to take it easy because we do have winter tires, so we need to chill. But overall,
I tried to warn you, dude.
this is nice. I wonder where stateside supercars and auto addictions are through this year. Traction control intervenes a bit. Alright, going into Foxhole, very exciting piece of the track. We're gonna take it easy, of course. Important is to keep a straight line through here. And through the compression. Yeah, those tires are definitely on the end of their life, so. So another track change for this year. Another track change. We have a bit of curb here on the right, which I tried to take, but it was a bit too late. But for the rest, you can smell already some brakes and tires. I hope it's from someone ahead of us and not from us. What are your first impressions of the track so far?
Ridiculous. It's awesome.
Yeah, because you've done some simulating, of course.
At the VA HQ, yes.
Yeah.
But you don't get the sensation. You don't get the air pressure change in my ears as we go down a Foxhole. It was just insane.
Straight out of Foxhole.
Yeah. I'm like a little lost for words.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a roller coaster track.
It is. It is the roller coaster track. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's very, very nice. But what I want to do is so first,
Brother.
here we go to Swift.
Easy.
What?
No, nothing.
No, I'm good, don't worry.
I'm just
the vehicle, and then
being
we
annoying.
do tires, drive settings, and then we do traction control. We do partial because it's a bit...
Yeah, because you didn't drift in the last quarter.
I'm not gonna drift. Well, I didn't drift, brother. So here we have a new FIA fence. That's also new. I'm always like curious to see how the first lap or like how the track changes, and especially sections that are not on the track but next to the track that have changed, how they are going to affect the visibility aspect and reference points. Right now everything is same, and like I said, it feels like it's all the same. So I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna go.
Yellow went away.
No, because there's a hazard lights I saw. It went away. Then they reparked already, so we're just gonna double check that there's nothing. All right, and off we go.
Oh my god, this hill is huge.
It is, because from here we just hit the lowest section of the track, and now it's all the climb uphill. So if your car doesn't have like 200 horsepower or more, you will have like quite some trouble going through here. But all is very nice. We have two photographers. Speaking of photographers, alongside the track you see many photographers. Go to racetracker.de and you can find the pictures of your car. You can sort by license plate, by brand, by timing. From last year they also started doing videos. Here you have a new curb. Unfortunately there is yellow, but I wanted to see how this one works. There's a bit of a transition in the curb which can unsettle your car, so it's not 100% happy. So we have on the right car standing stationary, people are out, so maybe just a small breakdown. So important to know is that you need to...
Oh yeah.
Okay, well it's not a small breakdown.
Sorry. I'm sorry for the guy, but...
Yeah, but they've done the right thing. They got out of the car, they went over the barrier and waiting for the emergency services. There's a faster car behind us, so I'm gonna indicate to the right so he can pass us. It's not the best section to pass, but fly fella fly. There's also an E46 behind us, one of the fastest E46s of the Nürburgring, so I'm definitely gonna let him fly. Woo! Important when the car is passing you that you do not look in the mirrors but look ahead of you, because otherwise you might end up going off the track because you're looking in the mirrors and not at what is happening in front of you. So, about to enter the world famous carousel. So I guess from here we're doing like a group shot, windows out and windows open and arms out.
Oh, the lights. Oh no!
You should do this one-handed. How are you doing this one-handed?
I mean, I guess after 10,000 laps it's...
Yeah, it helps.
Oh, here we have a new piece of tarmac.
Brother!
Yeah, I just wanted to try out because in the past there was like fake grass like on a tennis court, and you couldn't like really if you would touch it, it would be like a very challenging to catch your car. It would just send you in the drift. Here we have also one of the most exciting sections of the track called Vippeman, because we have here on the left optional curb. You can go over, it's quite high, but here more importantly another one, which is super cool. Alright, and then we're of course going into Brunchen, which is the YouTube corner. You can have a bit of runoff here, watching out here. Then I'm just gonna wave to Auto Addiction, that's probably standing at the corner exit. Yep. Yep. This section of the track was resurfaced last year, so it's nice and smooth. Quite nice. Another photographer. They tried to do something there because there was dirt dug out, but for the rest, yeah. Here's a small jump. We can go a bit faster later in the 992 or the M2. Maybe we can actually fly. We'll see. I'm gonna let the guy behind us pass because we are not in a hurry. We still have a whole season ahead. Oh. That's one of my favorite sections because you see the car jump, go sideways. It's so cool. One more up. Enough. Take it easy. So in my case, I'm going to slow down here now because it's my wife's car, and I want to cool down. I want to cool down the brakes before we get off the track. Because again, when you're not on a qualifying lap or a full send lap, just indicate it to the right, let the car cool down from here. Because on a very busy day, you might be blessed, or actually cursed, by a massive traffic jam all the way from the last corner. So you want to take it easy and just give your car the opportunity to cool down its brakes and cool down itself. Because the most fires actually happen at the end of the lap. When cars are waiting to get off the track, they're way too hot. Yeah, and stuff happens. Anyway, so here we are. We have finished our lap. I don't know if it's too early to say that we've survived. Oh, look at that 458 challenge. Yeet. I expected the bigger yeet, but it's street legal, so maybe it's like very silenced. And yeah, now you have the option. You have three options. One, stay on the right, and there's an exit that you can go on a public road directly, convenient for us. You can stay on the left during weekends, and you can go straight for another lap. So you make sure that you prepare your lap ticket card and go, tap the barrier, it will open. And option three, you can go to the car park up, check out car culture, get pancakes at Devil's Diner, very important. Or actually, option number 3.5, you can get off at the old exit but continue driving straight to the barriers to go on the lap again if here on the left side maybe it's too much traffic. So just to show to you, the white BMW turned off to the exit, so you can see it actually turning, going on the public road. Some marshals, we have some more race tracker photographers, videographers. And yeah, if you stick on the left lane, that's to go straight to the car, to the track again, or get off the track as well, so second exit. If we stay on the right, what we're gonna do, you can get into the car park and yeah, enjoy the victory of you completing the most demanding racetrack in the world, and also being blessed by clutch, tire and brakes man. So that's in short lap of the Nürburgring.
Wow. Wow. That's so cool. And I don't know what's cooler, like Nürburgring or like seeing how effortless Misha was like at that. Yeah, that's pretty next level.
Hello. Track is epic.
Apart from all the cars on the side of it.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm super happy because again, track is grippy, it is smooth, it is all the same. I expected it to be worse in terms of grip levels, but it's fantastic. I guess we're gonna go back and edit this video for you directly. Here also you can, this is a handicap parking spot, so if you're a wheelchair user or you have a special disability pass, you can actually park up there. And it's so cool over, my wife! Yeah, and that's kind of it. So the major thing to remind everyone, take it easy on your first lap or the first portion of driving, whatever it might be. For me, it's going to be taken easy for the first couple of weeks because I have a whole season ahead. If you're coming here for the just 1 day or 2 days, you take it easy for 4 laps and then gradually increase the pace according to the circumstances. So it's like not only you, because it's live track, there are other people, so you need to be really patient and see what others are doing. And that's kind of it. So I'm super excited to have another great 2026, well, not another 2026 season, but another great season in 2026 with lots of cool people and also cool cars, because I took Lucid out because it's quiet EV, still yet very powerful, but on the first lap I want to talk everyone through and focus on the track. And we're now going back to the workshop because there something loud is waiting for me that you will see a lot on the channel. And it's not the Civic actually, it's something else. It's probably gonna unveil it in